Okay, vlog. Welcome to my guys. Vlog Yarn 3.
Where are we going?
Dito tayo sa may Imaginarium. Or next to Great Mall. Imaginarium daw. Ito siya. Okay, here we go. Ano ba itong... We're gonna imagine things, I guess. Okay mga vlog, welcome to my guys. Tapos na kami. We're done. Ito na ang the whole Imaginarium. It's alright. Nice place. For a change. Yeah, for a change. For a change again. Saan tayo? Tapos tayo?
Yeah, tapos na.
Pagod na yarn, lobat na yarn.